Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel Enriching Knowledge. Friends, as you all know that this is the syllabus, this is the portion for the next upcoming yearly examination. And in last two videos, we have gone through this last unit, that is chapter 7, Introduction to Python, and also we have seen more features of Scratch. Now in this third video tutorial we will practically and theoretically cover this unit chapter 4, Introduction to HTML. Okay, so let's start with HTML. Before starting, I have to open our notes, and yes, here are the notes. Yes, so friends, you can see HTML. We all know that because we have theoretically and practically also we have gone through this in our school, in our class, and in our lab also. HTML is a world famous programming language which is used to create web pages. Okay, it is one of the basic language, it is one of the basic programming coding language which is used to develop, which is used to design, which is used to create web pages. Okay, so what are the web pages? As you all know that page is a part of book. Okay, page is a part of notebook. In the same way, web page is a part of website. Yes, okay, web page is a single HTML document. And what is the website? As you all know that if pages are collected, then book will be created. If pages are collected, notebook will be created. In the same way, if web pages are connected, website will be created. So what is the definition? A website is a collection of web pages. Perfect. Now the third thing is that here web browser. Okay, friends, we are going to see HTML practically also, but we have to clear this concept. So we are going to see about web browser, and you know very well, friends, see the names are here. Google Chrome is the famous web browser which is used by lots of people. Then Mozilla Firefox. Yes, I would like to tell you some different names like here Microsoft Edge. Then I will tell you Safari, that is Apple Safari. It is also one of the famous web browser. Then Netscape Navigator. Netscape Navigator is also one of the famous web browser, and Indian especially because I also use this web browser, that is Geo web browser. Yes, Geo web browser is also one of the famous web browsers. So you can use these web browsers for what? The main role of web browser. See, read this highlighted line, friends. The main role of web browser is to display web pages. Web browsers are used to display web pages. Perfect. Now look at this diagram. Web browsers can display web pages, but when your system is connected to internet. If you don't have a data, mobile data, internet, if you don't have active internet connection, then you cannot open any web page or any website. So it's a simple, and the diagram is also all about the same concept. Now we'll go to the next thing, features of HTML. See, and we are at the first program also. But before this, features of HTML, as like Python, HTML is also easy, simple, understandable, and we can quickly do the program of HTML. Now it uses tags. Okay, see, this is tag. These are the tags. These are tags. How to identify tags? The thing, yes, I'm drawing here. See, the thing which is in between these two brackets is called as tags. What? Tag. Okay, so see the tag. This is called HTML tag. This is called head tag. This is title tag. This is body tag. Okay, so HTML uses tags, so it makes easy to design, it makes easy to code. Now the third feature is it allows connecting web pages. Yes, using HTML you can connect multiple web pages to each other. We know the blue colored link where we click and we navigate to the other web pages. So this kind of links can be created using HTML. Then fourth feature is HTML document can be displayed on any operating system. So it's one of the most important that HTML is supported by all the operating systems, including Android operating system, include Windows operating system, Mac operating system, Linux, Unix, all. Then fifth feature is it allows developer to add pictures. What we can do using HTML? We can add text, we can add pictures, we can have audio, video, we can make our web page attractive, colorful. Then last feature, the HTML is not case sensitive. It means that, see, here in the code, small, so we can say lowercase characters are there, lowercase words are there. So we can also use capital, uppercase as well as lowercase. So it means that HTML is not case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase, both can be used in the same code. Okay, so it doesn't make any error or warning for this mixing of cases or characters. Okay, then now we'll see when and who developed HTML. See, the first developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Yes, his name is, I will write here, Tim Berners-Lee. He is the founder of HTML. Okay, he developed HTML in 1990s. Okay, and he also developed one web browser for to see the display to see the result of the first web page developed by him itself. Okay, now we'll see basic structure of HTML. But yes, for this purpose I have to use system, or we can say software to run the HTML code. Now there are two ways to work with HTML. The first one is, as I told you, I use Geo browser. See, this is the Geo browser. It's very fast, it's very easy. Now using browser you can just simply type W3 schools HTML. Okay, then search and one link will appear on the screen. See the first link, HTML tutorial. Okay, just click here. Otherwise you can directly click on try it yourself section or try it editor. Okay, you can directly click here and start coding of HTML easily. But if you don't have a connection, if you don't have a internet data, then what should you do? What you have to do? Go to Play Store first. Okay, first for that purpose at least you need active internet connection. Go to Google Play Store, then search for HTML editor. Okay, search for HTML editor. Here instead of open, there may be there is a install button. Just click on that install button, and you, after installation, you can just simply click on this open button. Okay, fine. Now when you click on open button, the interface looks like, okay, I will open in front of you. See, HTML editor. Now here we can create HTML code and we can easily run these codes also. So it's simple. Now where you have to click for the first time, here my code project, just click here. Then yes, I will just delete it first, otherwise okay, fine. You can simply type on this create project for new creation, create project, then give title as like same as like Python, my first web page. Okay, this is the project title, and description, I am going to create first web page using HTML. So this kind of description you can write there, and now simply click on this create button. Okay, it is saying okay, fine. Only one project at a time is allowed, so I will just click continue with my previous project. Just click on view and see the code is here. Now open. Okay, fine, continue. Now delete this code. I will delete it and start with the new again web. Simply I will type WPD now and web page here. Now create button. Again click on create button and code is in front of you. Now see, this is the basic structure of HTML, my friends. See please, and if you are unable to see this, please zoom it and increase the quality of video. First, the first tag in HTML is opening HTML tag. Then the second tag is opening head tag. Why I am calling opening always? Because when you open the tag, you have to close it also. How to close? See, the third tag is title, opening tag, and this is closing tag. How to close the tag? By using forward slash. See, this is the closing tag. When you use slash, forward slash, then the tag gets closed, because it's very necessary to close the open tag. Whichever you open, you have to close it. Now in the same way, see, here head tag is open and here it is closed, because this is the only header part of web page. Title is, see, the title tag is used to show the title of the web page, name of the web page. When you open your web page in a browser, this title is going to display in a title bar. Now the third thing, important part, integral part of our HTML web page design is body tag. Yes, it's VIMP. Body tag is there because in between this opening and closing body tag, you can type anything, whatever you want to display in a web page. You can add images, audios, videos, graphs, tables, whatever you want to add, you can. Now in between the only body tag, and finally see, HTML tag open at the first and it will close at the last, because this signifies the end of HTML coding. Now this is the basic structure of HTML. Now using this run button at the top upper corner, right corner, here just click on run button and see the output hello world. Now what is how hello world is hello world come here? See, this is the line hello world, because we have typed only hello word in body tag. As I told you, whatever you try to type in body tag, that will be only displayed in a web page. Now I will type ask in detail. Now try to again run the same coding. No need to save here anything, just try to run it and see the output. Ask in detail is here. I will zoom it for you. See, ask in detail. Now we'll proceed as per the syllabus. Now the third page of your unit is, see, whatever I have explained, same thing is given in your book. So please read this thing. The first one is doc type HTML, which I have not explained, but see, this is the first line of the code. This is the first line of the HTML code. What it signifies, it declares the version of HTML. See, this line declares the version of HTML. Then HTML tag, what it is, what is the use of it? It signifies the start of HTML coding, and in between this HTML tag we have to type other tags, other contents, other elements of coding. Then there is a head tag, header part of the HTML web page. Then there is a title of web page. And finally, the most important, body tag, where we can add all the things like text, image, audio, video, table, graphs, whatever you want to do. Creating a web page, what they have given, see, the first step they have given in our book, that is open the notepad text editor. Okay, I can tell you, you can use any text editor. What is mean by text editor? Where you can type, that is the text editor. So you can use any text editor like notepad. Otherwise, in today's world, there are lots of softwares and applications are available for coding purpose, as like the same which we have used. The name of this is HTML editor, which we are currently using. Now see the first structure. Here is the structure of the first HTML code given in a book. We'll try to type entirely from our side. I will just delete it for you, friends. Now here I am typing a new code in front of you. See, the first is angle bracket opening, then type HTML, and now see friends, I am typing in a small letter. Okay, now automatically closing HTML tag also available, or you can say added automatically by default. This in this way this application helps us. Then next tag is, yes, you can tell me, yes, head tag. Then in between head tag we have to take title tag. Close this title tag. Now in title tag we can have any name, just say WPD. Now as I told you, the main area of designing in HTML is body tag. See, body tag am yes, I have added the body tag now, and see here we can type anything whatever we want to do. Let's say hi, ask in detail. Okay, so the code is complete now. Now for running this code you have to tap here at the right upper corner to run the code, and see the code output is in front of you. You can zoom it from your side, my friends, because some limitations are there from my side also. Now we'll go to our theoretical part, see what is the next. Okay, see, in a second step they have uh, told us that how to save the file. Yes, remember friend, while saving HTML file you must have to give extension .html after the name of file. For example, if your file name is just say Ram, okay, you are saving your file by your own name. Let's say your name is Ram. Then after that file name you must have to type HTML .html. See friends, this .html is compulsory. It is called extension, okay, for saving the file. Now go to the next page and see what they are telling us. Yes, wow, did you see? It's the most important thing which I have just told you. If the file is not saved with .html, it will not open in web browser. So file must have to be saved with .html extension. Now here pictorial presentation of our file. See, the title tag, the thing which we have mentioned in title tag will be displayed in a title bar. This is a title bar of a web page or any window in your computer. When you open any window, this upper horizontal bar is called as a title bar, okay, and there you will have a name of your web page, that is title, and the content which you have given or mentioned in body tag will be displayed in a window main area, or you can say the central part of window. See the first thing. Now the okay, we are at the next point, that is HTML tag. As we have already gone through that in HTML there are only tags are used, but tags are for what? Tags are used to design the code, to develop the code, to create the code. Okay, in short you can say tags are also called as elements. Yes, elements of HTML coding. Okay, how many types of HTML tags are there? First one is paired tag and then unpaired tag. Paired tag means what? The tag which is opening and which is closing. Okay, the tag which has opening end as well as closing, that is called pair tag, because this makes a pair. This makes a pair. Perfect. So these kind of tags are called as pair tag. Now tell me, body tag is a pair tag because it has opening as well as closing tag, but there are many tags like br which are unpaired tag. Unpaired means there is only opening tag, there is no closing. So br is break the line. We have gone through this in while revising in our class. BR is a break the line tag, that is unpaired tag, because for BR there is no closing tag. It is also called as, see the last line of this page, it is also called as stand alone or empty tag. Okay, standalone or empty tag. Now basic HTML tags, the first part is basic HTML tag, the first part is header tag. See the header tag, sorry, in fact it is also called as heading tags. Okay, they have mentioned header tag in our book, but it is mostly widely popularly it is called as heading tag. Okay, see here it is mentioned heading tags, these are called heading tags, and there are 6 heading tags are used in HTML. 6, see, starts from H1 to H6. H1 is a biggest size and H6 is a lowest or smallest size of the heading, that is the text. Heading tags can be applied to text only, my friend. See, in body tag, whatever you want to do now will be in a body tag only within the body. Okay, so H1 is the biggest size, H3 is the smallest, and most smallest is H6. Okay, here they have given only till H5. So we can have experience practically directly here. Yes, look at the coding now. I am back to the application, and here I am typing, yes, angle bracket, then H1, then angle bracket close, and I am typing here HADING, heading tag 1. Okay, now done. Just run the code here and see the magic. Heading tag the biggest size. Now I will show you. Now yes, second H2 bracket close, and see here heading tag 2. Now again run the code and see the difference between two heading tags. See, this is the biggest, this is the smallest, and now directly I will tell you, I will show you the effect of H6, the most smallest type of heading tag. ठीक है, heading tag 6, and see the magic. See the result. The most smallest tag heading tag is H6. Okay, again we'll move to the theoretical part which is given in our book. Okay, fine. Learning by doing what they are telling. Create a web page photo that displays information about your school. Yes, this is the task for you, my friends. You have to create a web page which displays the information about our school, and using heading tags, okay. So you have to do that. Now we are moving towards the next tag, that is paragraph tag. Yes, my friends, as you all know that while typing, while writing, we create paragraphs. Texts are separated in a paragraphs. Okay, information data is separated in a paragraph. As like this page, there are many paragraphs are available. So paragraphs are not only to separate the content, but also paragraphs looks proper. Paragraph presents our textual data properly or in a suitable format. Okay, so paragraph presents the data separately, the content separately. When the topic changes, when the point changes, we change the paragraph. Now in HTML, I am going to tell you the most important thing, or you can say trick or tip to remember the things, to remember the tag, that is in HTML tags are created with the first letter of word. So paragraph tag is called as P tag. Okay, so whenever you want to take a paragraph, you can have a P tag. Let's say, let's have an example here. Yes, angle bracket, then P, angle bracket close, and now I will type here, this is paragraph. Okay, so this is a paragraph. Now, yes, my friend, please see opening P tag and closing P tag, it's must because it is pair tag. I am running the code and see the magic. This is paragraph. Okay, so paragraphs can be added or changed, or any number of tags can be used by you. You can have many paragraphs in your coding, friends. This is, see, this is second paragraph. Okay, now close the code and run the coding. This is second paragraph. See, so in this way you can create any number of paragraph in your web page. Now the code, the next tag is break tag. line break, you can call it line break or break the line tag. Okay, break the line tag, it is the unpaired tag. Okay, unpaired because there is no need to close it because it exists, it is used at the end of the line. Now just have an example. See, suppose I will just take this paragraph in the same line. I will try to do something new. Okay, fine, it is not working. Let's join this line. See, I am joining this line. Now see, this is the this is now one line. Before it was there were two lines. Okay, so I want to break this line from that point. I want to break this line at this point. I want to uh, I want to move this line to the next. Okay, next line. So how to do that? Here we have to use break tag. Okay, at which point? After paragraph and before this word. Perfect. So yes, we are at this after paragraph. Just take a space, angle bracket and br and bracket close. See, I have added a break tag after the paragraph and before this. Now run the code and see the magic. See, the line is moved to the next. Okay, so this is the use of break the line tag, or you can call it line break tag. Now the next tag is center tag. You can call it center alignment. How it works? It will directly take your line to the center of the page, center of the screen. Now see, before applying center tag, see, all the lines are at the left side, left align. By default alignment is left. If you take these lines at the center part, then it is called center alignment, and at the right side there is a right alignment. Okay, now we want to move this content at the central part of the page. How to take it? Just take a center tag. I will keep p tag as it is, and I will add center tag again. So center, close it. Okay, fine. In between this center tag I have to type something. Yes, I will type here. This is center tag effect. Okay, now run the code and see the magic. See, this line came in the central part of the web page. So this is the use of center tag. Now we will move to the next. Formatting tags. Wow, it is one of the interesting part of our web page designing. Formatting tag. Formatting tags are very popular, my friends. As you know, bold, italic, underline. Let's have a direct practical. Chalo. Now I will show you. And now bracket, then B. As I told you, tags are created with the first letter of every word. So bold stands for, B stands for bold. Okay, now I will take, this is bold. Okay, in a second line I will have I stands for italic. This is italic. Then I will take U stands for underline. Okay, now I have added both the three formatting tags. See, bold, italic and underline. Now I will run the code and see the magic. See, this is the effect. Bold, which is comparatively thickness is increased when you apply bold style. Italic means little bit cursive. Okay, thoda sa tirkas. And the last is underline, which is very popular. Underline means the line below the, just at the base of the word or line. Perfect. So these are the three formatting tags. Now we'll move to the next part, that is superscript and subscript. As you all know that, friends, super means upper and sub means at the base. Okay, what is the exact use? I will directly show you here. See, when any text or character or number or symbol is is typed at the top of the baseline, then it is called as superscript. Super means upper, and if any element is placed at the base of the common normal line, then it is called as subscript. Then how to use this? Okay, just have a practical session directly. Most of the time superscript is used in mathematics because you may need to use squares and cubes. So subscript tag is sub tag. As I told you, first letter or first few letters sub. Then before sub, but before sub I have to just say example first. I want to type first. Okay, so st will be above the base. Above the as you can say at the top of the first line. Okay, at the top of the first. So st will be at the top of this one digit. Now run the code and see the magic. See, sorry, I have taken sub and I am talking about superscript. What kind of nonsense thing is this? Yes, sup, sup means super. Okay, now run the code and see the magic, because mistakes makes us more perfect first. Okay, then second, in the same way, suppose you want to type h2o. Okay, so for this purpose 2 should be at the base of the line, so sub, then close the bracket, 2, insert 2 in between sub, and finally o. See the magic, friends. H, H. See, H is at the base, common, sorry, H is at the normal location, normal position. 2 will be at the base and O will be at the normal location, normal place. See the magic. See, H 2O, 2 is at the base. Okay, so in this way you can have a superscript and subscript. Now I will move to the next part, creating comments. It is not necessary part, it is completely negligible, but still we have to learn this, because say friends, I am telling you the first line need to be highlighted. Comments are not the part of code. Comments never execute. Comments never run. Comment will not be visible in output. Just see how it works. Comments, how to identify comments. First of all, see comment tag is this. Okay, in this way you can have a comment. First of all, you can have a angle bracket, then exclamatory mark, then 2 dash, and type something here, and then 2 dash again, and angle bracket close. Now just have a practical. Here angle bracket, then have a 2 dash, sorry I forgot, exclamatory mark, then type this is comment. Now again 2 dash and angle bracket close. Now see, this comment is visible here in a coding, but when I will run this code, that comment will not be visible in output. See friends, I am running the code and yes, result is in front of you. Comment is not visible in output because comment is just for used for instruction or for understanding purpose. If someone is new to HTML and he want to understand the code, yes, at that time you can have a comment. You can use comments in coding, but that comment will not run at all. It will not be executed. Elements and attributes, yes friends. Now what kind of attribute they are talking about? Okay, elements. Okay, see, now the most interesting part is here. You can give background color to the web page, and then how? Yes, as I told you, body is nothing but the entire web page. Okay, then if you apply color, bg color in body, then automatically the color will be implemented to the entire web page. See, where is body tag, friends? Here is a body tag. Just add okay, type here bg color equal to double quotation and give color name. Let's take pink. Okay, now run the code and see the magic. Yes, color is changed. Entire background color of the body. This is body. This is body. See, I am telling you, this is title and this is body. Entire, this is body. So if you give background color to the body, then it means that you are giving color to entire web page. Fine. So this is attribute. Bg color is attribute of body tag. Bg color is attribute of body tag, and pink is a value of that attribute. Now same thing I will do here in a p tag. See, I will type here for paragraph tag. I will enter into the p tag bg color equal to double quote color, let's say yellow, because I have to. Yes, color combinations also matter, my friends, because if you choose contrast color, dark colors, then content will not be visible properly. Okay, fine, I have given bg color to this entire paragraph yellow. Okay, now I will try to run the code and see the magic. Okay, not it is not working. Don't know why happen, what is this, why this is happened. mm, okay, fine, yes, I have to take style, but this is going to be the tough part for you, so I will not do it again. Okay, so fine, if I will keep it as it is only, because if I add more tag you will be confused. So this is the only thing about bg color. Now look at the next part. Okay, fine, here background image. In the same way you can have a background image to the web page, entire web page, but this task you have to do at yourself in your computer system. I have just told you how to give background color in a body tag. Now you can have a background image in image to the web page. Okay, now you can do it, and if you have any query you can ask me anytime. Okay, what how much part is left now? Okay, 3 pages are there. We'll complete it early. Okay. Yes, we are at the font tag now. Font tag is closely related with text data, my friends. बरोबर आहे का? Most of the time people say please increase the font size, means text size. Okay, font is related to text. So if you want to change the style of text, then you have to use face attribute. If you want to increase the size of text, then you have to use size attribute, and if you want to change the color of text, then attribute is color. All these three attributes are of font tag. So font tag has, see, font tag has three attributes, okay, namely face, that is style, size, yes, it's of course size, and color is color of the text. So let's have a practical, directly practical example will be here. See, angle bracket, then font, close the bracket, and I will type here this is the effect of font tag. Okay, now I will not give any kind of attribute here, and when I run this code, see the result, nothing is new. It's like all is looking like a normal text, but here I will type now break tag first of all, because I have to separate this line from other content. And now in font, see, in within the font tag, see the cursor, where the cursor is within the font, before the closing bracket, font tag, inside the font tag will add attributes. The first attribute is like face. Okay, face equal to double quote. Now I will just try to do that Calibri. Let's see is it, whether it is available in our smartphone or not, I don't know, but still I have applied face. Then I will take second attribute, that is color. Color of the text I will take blue, and finally I will take size attribute, and size I will mention 21st, double quote close. And now run the code and see the magic. See, the color is applied to the text, size is also increased, and I don't think so font face is changed, but still we'll change the font. Okay, now we'll try to change the font. Instead of Calibri, I will give Algerian. These are the name of font styles, friends. So it's very simple. Okay, here I will have a double, I forgot to close double quote, and size I will increase to 51. Now run the code and see the magic. See, color is now perfect because of double quote that was missed. Yes, color is applied, size is applied, but font style, that is font face, is not applied here. I will try the last time, I will try this times new Roman. Now let's try to, yes, perfect. Font style is applied. Now Times New Roman font style is applied. See this, so look at this other text style font size and look at this. It is looking. See the tag, this tag and this tag. It's stylish. Okay. So this is the effect of font tag, my friend. So this is one of the most important tag used in web page designing. Now learning by doing, there are activities you can do it here, and the code which we have already done here of font tag. Okay, now we are moving toward the next tag, one of the important tag, that is HR. HR stands for horizontal rule. Horizontal rule means nothing but, my friends, it's just a horizontal line which is used to separate the content. Have a direct practical demo here. I will just type here angle bracket HR angle bracket close, and there is no okay, right now I will know I will not add any attribute here, but still I will just close it. See, I will close it HR and closing angle bracket, and see the magic. When I run the code, one horizontal line will be there on a page. See, this is the horizontal line. Now yes, attributes are there. I don't know whether the attributes are given. Yes, attributes are given there, friends. Align means align means what? Place position, the center alignment, sorry, left alignment, center alignment, or right alignment. Okay, then width means what? The width means the vertical, sorry, horizontal size of width means what? Horizontal size. How? See, this is called width. Okay, this is the width, and this is the size. This is the size of HR. Width means in this way, in a horizontal way. Okay, and size means in a vertical way, that is the thickness of the line. And the color, yes, color of the line. And no shade is not used proper, not used most of the time. Widely it is not used, but still, but show in one color. Okay, fine. Shades will not be displayed, only color will be displayed, so no shade. Okay, let's have a direct practical. Here I am in coding, and we have to enter into the HR tag. See friends, we are inside the HR tag, and I will type here color equal to double quote color, let's have a color red, then space, next attribute, say size equal to double quote 10, next attribute width equal to double quote let's say it is also 10. So now width should be larger. Okay, let's say 200, double quote close. Then align means place, and we'll keep it center. Now fine, these are the most popular attributes used in HR tag. Now try to run the code and see the magic. Yes, color is not proper. I think we have, yes, we forgot to give double quote close, double quote close, closing is IMP. See friends, color is also applied, size, width, everything is there. Now if you want to apply this this line to the entire page, then you have to increase the width. Okay, now here I will just increase the width value in 300. Now see the magic, line is increased. Now again I will make it 400. Okay, and see the magic, when I run the code, line will be on entire page. Okay, so this is the use of HR tag, and my friends, it's really worth, it's useful, it's very helpful to separate the content. Okay, fine. After the heading, you can also have here after the heading there must be HR, or you can call it horizontal line. Okay, so it looks more better, your content looks more better. Chalo. Next, align attribute. Align is a common attribute. It is used in many tags like H1. In H1, see here in H1 also you can have alignment, in P also, in font also, in many tags. Go to the yes, we are in the coding, and in H1 I will have align equal to, and I will give it center. See, center tag for what? Heading 1. Now run the code, and H1, yes, heading, yes, see, this heading is now at the center line. Before it was at the left side. Now in a paragraph, before doing this, see the first thing. Yes, tag font. If font, in font there was no alignment, we will apply it now. Here inside the font, align equal to, let's say, right. Okay, right alignment is there. Now run the code and see the magic. Okay, it's not worked. ALIGN RIGST, right, what happened? Okay, I will do it here in a right. Yes, it's working. See, the heading is at the right side. Okay, fine. You can do this at your side. Now creating a list. Oh, it's very important. Creating a list, and you know very well, list is used for if when you want to create, when you want to make a group of multiple elements. So you can use list. Yes, friend. There are two types of list in HTML. First one is ordered list. Ordered means there where you have a order 1 2 3 4 or sequence series. Okay, so at the time this is called, you can use ordered list, and the tag is OL. OL stands for ordered list, it's a short form. And in that ordered list, if you want to add elements, then the tag is used list element. LI stands for list element. How to do this? Just have a practical session directly. We'll go to the end of the page, and here the opening tag, yes, OEL, ordered list, close the bracket, and inside it, yes, have a bracket, and then LI stands for list element, as I told you. And here you can have a RAM. Okay, then in LI you can have sham, and just run the code and see the list. See, 1 2 Ram Sham, automatically 1 and 2 number came there because we have used ordered list OL. Now the another type of list. Okay, see, unordered list. Unordered means what? There is no sequence. Where there is no sequence, you can have unordered list. And see the magic. Before moving towards further, see, UL stands for unordered list, and list element, for that you have to use LI as OL. See, now just below the OL we'll add UL. UL stands for unordered list. In that you have to take LI, opening bracket, LI, then close the bracket, and in which you have to type, let's take Ram Sham, Ramesh, and LI and Suresh. See, run the code and see the magic. There is no sequence, unordered, so there is no order, there is no sequence, so symbols are added. You can change these symbols, my friends. Attributes are there for UL. Here you can change the symbols if it is given. Yes, see, UL type circle, by default type is circle. You can change it to square, you can change it to disk. Let's see, type equal to, yes, QUARE, double quote close. Oh, yes, now run the code and see the magic. Before it was a circle, now it is a square, so you can change the style also. Now we'll move to the next part, and the last last page, and the last number of last but one type of list is definition list. And yes, DL stands for definition list, and for adding definition element in a definition list, you have to use DD, that is definition data. So it's simple, very simple. We will do it here right now. Oh, I have to explain this also. DL stands for definition list, DT stands for definition title, and DD stands for definition data. Now see the exact use and logic and magic of DD. So opening bracket, DL, close the bracket, in between another bracket, DT, which is data title, and give a title such as CBSE, and after DT just take another bracket and here DD, close the bracket and see. Okay, CBSE is a central board. Okay, now again I will have another DT, close it, in between DT you have to take DD, and in DD sorry, title is also need to be mentioned here. We have not mentioned title. Just mention India. Okay, and in between India we will just add image, that is Maharashtra, then another DD, let's say MP, and now run the code and see the magic of definition list. See friends, it looks like definition. CBSE is a definition, sorry, title, and this is a definition. India is a title and these are the definitions. Okay, so in this way you can have a definition list. And now go to the theoretical part again, and the next part is nested list. It's so simple friends. Nested list means list within list. Okay, the first list is of 1 2 3 4, and the list within the list. In math there are two types, algebra and geometry. In social science, history and geography. So list within list is called as nested list. And how we can create? See, first of all you have to take OL. In that you can have a LIs. Okay, in that you can create another UL and ELIs. Okay, so in this way you can create a list within list. How to do? Just have an example directly. See here also, first of all OL, then English and math. Now in math you want to create another list, take OL or UL. Two elements, UL close. See the diagrammatic representation here directly. Yes, mathematics 1 2. Okay, then again social science. See, social science here 1, UL starts. So in social science two types, UL close. So it's very easy to create. We have a direct practical example of nested list. Now take one, that is OL, close the bracket, then have a LI, and in which I will type I will type countries. Yes, then the next, okay, LI. So here I have to take next UL, and in which I will type LI, and I will type India. Next I will take USA, and run the code and see the magic. Yes, see, list within list. This is the first list, okay, and this is the second list. So you can have list within list in this way. Now this is all about our entire unit friends. If you have any query, please feel free to ask and do practice. It's very important to do practice theoretically as well as practically. And please, you must have to give your attendance after watching this video just below in the comment section of the same video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.